Hi dear students, we are continuing with the third video about length, mass and capacity. Our subject is unit of volume. Here, before starting to unit of volume, let me remind about the unit volume. What does it mean for the if we have cube, cube means all the dimensions are same. So if I draw like this, if it is 1 unit here, 1 unit here, and 1 unit here, so the length, width, and height, if it is equal to 1 and 1 and 1, then the volume of it, it's going to be 1 unit cube, which is, if we say that this is 1 meter or 1 centimeter, with respect to that one, it's going to change. 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 1 meter cube, it's going to be. So that's the volume of the unit. And here we are going to use for very small measured volumes cubic millimeters, or millimeter cube, or centimeter cube, or meter cube, or kilometer cube. With respect to sizes, very small volumes are going to be centimeter cube. For the large volumes, it's going to be meter cube, and very large volumes, it's going to be cubic kilometer cube. It's going to be like ocean. We are going to use that one for that measures. Okay, so if I try to explain this one, the unit cube, so we are going to find we are going to work out the larger volume here. And let me remind about the volume of the solids. Volume of cuboid here, cuboid, it's going to be equal to length times height times, it's going to be width. So with respect to this one, the volume of the cuboid A, it's going to be length. I'm thinking this is the length. So length is 13. The height is 6. The width is 10. It's going to be times 10, which is equal to 13 times 6. It's going to be equal to 10 times 6, it is 60 plus 18, 78, 780 centimeter cube. It's going to be all the units, as you see, they are centimeter. That's why volume of B is going to be equal to 6 point, I'm going to start with the length, 20 times 6.5 times 6.5, the length also here it's same, times 6.5, which is equal to, let me do by using the calculator here, 20 times 6.5 times 6.5, which is equal to 845. It's going to be, so 845 centimeter cube, it's going to be the second one. And it means that volume B is bigger than volume A, so which one is larger? B is larger. Work out the difference in the volumes. So it's going to be 845 minus 780. This is the A part, and this is the B part now, which is equal to 65 centimeter cube. It's going to be the difference between the volumes. Okay, let's continue with different type of figure. How to find the volume of this one in centimeters? We are going to find here. Actually, here we are solving this question this type of questions with area. So some part of the question is area, but I'm going to solve only the volume part of it here, and I'm going to end the video. Okay, here the first one, it's going to be, first I'm going to find the volume of this expression, but I'm going to divide this expression into parts like this. So when I draw like this, you're understanding that here this one divided like, you know, I divide like one cuboid and one triangular prism. So here this one, if I continue like this, here if I continue like this, and then from this part if I continue like this, here also which part doesn't seem by the because of the figure here we cannot see this part, so it's going to be in this form. And here, as I said before, this is the cuboid, this is the here, this is the cuboid, and this is this part is the second part that you see here, triangular. So for the triangular prism, the base is triangle. We need to remember that one. Base is triangular. Base is triangle here, and volume of the triangular prism, volume of triangular prism, TP, I'm going to write triangular prism. It's going to be base area times height. It's going to be height. It's going to be, so with respect to that one, the volume of cuboid, we know it's going to be here. This is 2 unit. The length, it is 10 centimeter here, 10 centimeter. Volume of cuboid plus volume of triangular prism, it's going to be equal to volume of the solid. So firstly, let's find the here what is the area of the, firstly I'm going to find that one. What is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is length times L times height times width, it's going to be, and the volume of triangular prism, I said base times height. That or length, I can say base times length, because I name like here L, that length, that's equal to 10 times the height of the cuboid, it is 3, and the width of it, it's going to be equal to 2. What about the base area? Base area is triangle's area, and the triangle's area here, the distance is 3, and I'm drawing the figure here, cuboids, I mean the solids. I'm going to try to draw here like this. This is the cross-sectional area of the solid, and we know that this is 2 centimeter long, this is 3 centimeter, and this is totally 6 centimeter it was. And when you draw this line here, this is the triangle, base of the triangle that I said. This is the base of prism. It's going to be, which is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter it's going to be. So if it is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, the area of it, base area, it's going to be 3 times 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 12 over 2, which is equal to 6 from the area of triangle. You know that one. So it's going to be equal to 6 times the length is equal to 10. So the answer here is equal to 60 plus 60. It's going to be, the last one is 120. All the units are centimeters, so we are going to use centimeter cube for the volume of the expression.